Okay, this is Grant here, and I'm just going to be able to show you guys how to fix this issue if you have any sort of magic patterns missing or not showing up, and also with the mockups as well. If you have any sort of problems with them not showing a picture with it for some reason or something along those lines, it may just be that you have the files basically just in a different location. So the way we can be able to get everything popping up for you and viewable in this area is if we just exit out of CorelDRAW. We're going to want to open up a new file in our file folder here, and I actually have one actually located so that we can just go to our documents. We should have two options now. One of them will be Stone Wizard and the other one will be the Design Wizard. So on the right hand side, I'm just going to be working with the Design Wizard, and then on the left hand side, I'm going to open up a new one. And if you don't have anything open, if you right click on it, you can also open up a new file explorer that way. So now that I open up my one on the left here, we can open up a new one, and I'm actually going to drag that over here so we can see them both on the same screen. So if we go on over on the left side, we're going to go to the documents as well, and I'm going to be working with the Stone Wizard. So in here, we just have the installer basically going into our patterns section, and there's a few different code basically lines in here that we need to copy and make sure are also stored in our Design Wizard patterns and our different code. So see here in the Design Wizard, it's not going to preview because we don't have any of this code here. So if I actually just select everything, left click and highlight, I can right click on it and hit copy. And then if I come on over here to the Design Wizard, I can paste that by right clicking. And now all I need to do is hit File and Save. So now that we have this actually put into the patterns, it should view fine. I just want to double check that we have everything else in here as well. So it looks like we have everything in these files. So if we go back, go to images, we want to double check. And if you don't have any files, for some reason, if there's anything in here, you can select the top one, hold shift down and select the bottom one. Or for some reason, if there's just two of them that are not in there, you can select one and hold control down on your keyboard and select the other one. So basically here, for some reason, if we didn't have one and two, I could right click, click copy, and bring that in here and actually paste those in here. And it'll ask us if we want to replace it or not. So I can say, no, we can just replace them. They're the exact same file, no harm, no foul. If we go back, the pattern should be fixed now. I want to also fix the mockups as well. So if we come on over here to the mockups, there are a few more files that we have. So if we click on the products, we have a lot more stored in here. And so if we click on the mockups, it looks like this one's ending at the hats area, and this one we still have some more files in here. So basically, if we select all of these, we can right click on it, hit copy, and whenever we click on here, I actually just want to make sure that I'm not going to rewrite any code. So if we just delete this area, I can hit right click and hit paste. And so now we are sure that they're the exact same. Now if we hit file, we can do save again, so that all the code is in the exact same spot as the design as in the Stone Wizard. The mockup should be very similar and be the exact same in both of these. They shouldn't be changing, which is good. So now we have both of them exact same. We can close this out. If we click on our custom here, they should be the exact same as well. And they are as well. So if we exit out of these, we can open up our thumbnails and actually get a preview of all the different mockups that we have. I have a couple extra ones. I'm not sure if you guys will have all of these, but you may. It looks like we actually have all of the exact same pictures in our mockups as we do in here. So it looks like it was just that code issue that we had. So now if I just open up this file explorer, we can go back to documents and click on Stone Wizard, go to our mockups, and I'm going to go back from thumbnails and go to templates and click on templates here. And it looks like we have the exact same as well. And if I hit templates on the bottom in Stone Wizard, we can also open it up as well in here. And it looks like we have the exact same code. So on my end, doesn't look like I need to change any of this, but like I said, if for some reason the Stone Wizard looks different than your Design Wizard, you can copy any of these files just by selecting the line of code and copying it and coming in here. And if you needed to actually replace that, you could right click on it and hit paste. And then from there, you just want to save it. So that this one is the exact same as this one, and this looks like all of the templates are as well. So if we go back, we can check out our products, and we have the exact same products as well. We do have a couple of new mock-up features with some of our newer packs. So the Design Wizard has that feature on here. I'm not sure if all of your guys as will, but basically in the Stone Wizard we didn't have that folder. So there shouldn't be anything in here that isn't in the Stone Wizard. So now if we click on images, both of them look like they are empty. So now if we actually just click on CorelDRAW, it should open up for me. And we should have those mock-ups and monograms all in there. And so now we actually have a preview over here on this screen with our actual monograms right there, basically. And if we want to, we can pre-save some favorites, or excuse me, we can pre-save some favorites right here. So if there is like, the hearts that you really like, you can actually be able to save it that way. So I had a line error because I didn't have anything to fill that pattern with actually. And let me just double check that it looks like our mockups are okay as well. And so in some of these, I have a couple of extra hat monograms and different mock-ups and stuff like that I'm not sure if you guys have in the mock-ups. The monograms should be the same. These are about the normal ones that come with the Design Wizard. So you may not have all of these hats or possibly like a custom one that I would have saved in here. But all of the ones, if you were missing, should be located here. And if you do have any questions or if you need any more help, feel free to give us a call at 941-755-1696.